If you want clear network metadata and KPIs for any EC2 instance for troubleshooting and privacy monitoring, it's easy with CloudScope CX. You can find CloudScope CX today in the AWS Marketplace. Simply run our setup script in your EC2 instances to get started. No other software is required. Through our web-based interface, you can easily visualize the geolocation of the most active endpoints connected to your instances. CloudScope CX also delivers multi-dimensional network telemetry for every 15-minute interval in the last 8 days. You can easily track quality of service for IP endpoints, routes, and application endpoints. By tracking all IP sessions in real time, CloudScope CX provides detailed metadata for each session, which can aid in troubleshooting. You can monitor multiple EC2 instances simultaneously, or you can use our filter feature to focus on a single instance based on IP address.